chef video tips. I'm going to show you how to clean the mussel. So here we have our mussel. To clean the mussel is very simple. Just take the mussel and you have to take off this air. Just pull the hair like this. So we clean all the mussel like this, in this way, and then we're gonna wash them. After we wash it, we can cook whatever you want. I mean, we can open it just in a pan to have just the mussel inside. We can put inside the spaghetti, inside the sauce, but this is another story. Today we just see how to clean it. So in this way, and now we're gonna wash in the sink. So first of all, we have to fill the sink with cold water. We fill it like this, and we put the mussel. We're gonna wash really well like this, and with a little brush we're gonna clean in this way. If you find some mussel with this hard stuff, you can remove with a knife in this way. So guys, I decided to show you also how to open in the easy way. So we have our mussel, very clean, and to open it, we're gonna put a pot on the fire, take a piece of garlic, just break it like this. We're gonna put some extra virgin olive oil, and our mussel without the water. So now the pot is very hot. We're gonna close. So we're gonna open the mussel, and then we can take off the mussel inside and throw away the black side, the shell. And with the mussel, we can decide to make another sauce. So we can do a tomato sauce and put the mussel inside, but always keep the water from the mussel or from the clams, because the water is very important. It's full of flavor. You feel the sea, so keep it. We're gonna filter after, and then you can use also to cook fish. If you do a foil fish, you're gonna put some inside. You're gonna have the flavor of the sea inside your dish. Okay, perfect. So now we turn off the fire. And, like I told you, we take off the mussel. If you want, you can eat also like this, maybe with some lemon juice on top. Just eat the mussel and not the shell. And like I told you, we're gonna filter the water. Always keep this water. It's the parfum of the sea. It's nice to make all the preparation with fish. And in this case, if you want to clean it, just remove the mussel from the side and throw away the shell. So I hope this tip is gonna help you in the kitchen and enjoy the mussel. Ciao guys!